boys and girls of the internet and 5% of my female viewers. What is up? How are you guys? Shout out for all you women folk. Girls, gals, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something that actually I saw on another motovlogger's channel. His name is Snowcat. He's quite a huge YouTuber with over 600,000 subscribers. And this is based on one of his videos regarding the YouTube trends and everything. And something that I've noticed is that what he said is 100% true. Because nowadays people are more interested in drama channels like Drama Alert or any other drama channels. Yes, I'm a huge fan of Drama Alert. I am a subscriber. I'm a fan of Keemstar, who apparently is the greatest YouTuber in the world. So shout out to him. Actually, I don't need to shout out to you. Probably you guys know him already. So if you guys don't know Drama Alert, go check out the channel. The channel link will be in the description. And as well, Snowcat. If you guys don't know about Snowcat, the channel link will also be in the description. And the thing is that nowadays the YouTube trend is towards drama channels and other channels which actually create I couldn't say creative content. I genuinely can't say creative content because there is no creativity in it. It's something copied from other person, reacting to something or reacting to something that another YouTuber said in Twitch or Twitter or some bloody bullshit. See, it's like me reacting to what YouTubers like Bullet Diaries or Vikas Rachamalla or Everyday India says. If somebody makes a tweet on something, it's about me talking about those tweets and my opinions. There is no creativity in that. So I honestly think that YouTube needs to take a step back and see what is valuable content, what the viewers want to see, instead of pushing bullshit towards them. I mean, if you check out your recommended videos which appear on your YouTube homepage, I can guarantee you that 70% of them, at least for me, 70% of them, I don't want to watch those videos. Why do you guys recommend those videos? I do not have any interest in that. I do not want to watch those videos. Why do you guys push them? And I could see videos which are like 10 years old popping up on my recommended list. Why do I get that? I do not get any benefit of watching a video which is 10-year old. Let it be a monkey smiling or an elephant eating a peanut. Doesn't matter. Why would I want to watch that? Come on, YouTube, just think. Okay, just because there are a lot of likes, there are a lot of comments, there are a lot of views for that video, doesn't make it a good video. YouTube, this is the 21st century. You can pay to get views, likes and comments on the internet. If you guys didn't already know that, many of your YouTubers are doing that. I'm not going to pull out any names. I'm not going to start a controversy, but many YouTubers are doing that, buying views. And yes, it's something that every YouTuber knows, and a lot of YouTubers have talked about it. So YouTube, this is the 21st century. Many people buy views. If you don't understand that, I'm sorry, but you guys are lacking behind on brain. So if I upload some video talking bullshit on some racist bullshit or whatever it may be, and if I buy about 1 million views for that, if I buy another 30 to 40,000 likes, and if I buy another 100,000 comments, you will obviously put it on recommended list because it makes you, it gets you more money, it gets YouTube more money. Why would you guys do that? I mean, it's something that none of my viewers want. It's something that people don't have any value for. Why do you guys push it on to viewers? It's something that YouTube needs to take a hard look at. And yes, this is a rant. Yes, this is a rant vlog. So if you guys agree with me, if you guys agree with what I said, please do leave a thumbs up for showing me the support. And do leave a comment about your opinions on what and all trends you have seen changes in the YouTube. Because I've been in the YouTube stream since 2010, 2011-ish. So I I've been on YouTube scene for almost 6 years, 7 years right now. So you guys tell me what changes you guys have seen and how it is affecting you guys. Do you see videos that you don't want to see as recommended? Tell me in the comment section below. And as always, ride fast, ride safe, and do subscribe to my channel. Of course, please do subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. And let me see what I can do for the next vlog. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.